I'm going to go ahead and respond in on that. What the hell? Oh, I hit parking brake. That would make sense. Oh god. Alrighty. Sorry, I was setting something really quick. So I told you whenever I make turns now it's really fast and responsive. I was not kidding. Oh Jeebus. Especially for the rescue. Oh, I missed the turn. Shit, it was the next one down. Oh yeah, there's glass blown out. I'm gonna do the rescue company thing and park the fuck out of the way. Calm that down here. You got fire showing. Grab the squad.
Redirected 265-121 into a phone alarm for a fire.
Go ahead and jump in here. Also, I don't know if you guys can tell by the clickiness. Definitely got a new keyboard. Super. Oh god. Oh, you can still do that? I didn't know you could do that. Oh, dude. I can respond from the officer seat of the squad. That's kind of rad. I didn't know you could do that. So if you use the number keys, like me by accident, you can respond in driving a unit, but as the fireman or what have you. So we're definitely gonna have to go try that for the tiller. That's definitely the next unit I grab now. I guarantee this is better than the whole game. I just didn't know, and the simplest things blow my mind. Alright, switch over. Fuck on my stupid taxi. Don't crash, please don't crash. That was an endo. Go ahead and park right here. Yeah, we got fire shop. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the tiller ladder for the hopes that I can sit in the tiller seat and drive. And because, you know, you need a ladder truck. Oh. You can't sit in the tiller seat still. Damn. Oh well. Can't tell them.
329. Passing up to 329, Jack. 329, you can remain in service. 329, Temple. 39. 39. 39, you can remain in service, Kate.
Damn.
910-4
Put
will be tagged.
everything in service. I don't even know what they're going to. I wish I could sit in the tiller seat. That'd be really rad. Sit everywhere else, but why? Why would you jump over like that? I feel like with my updated steering and the way that I drive, my Tillerman's just kind of along for the ride anyway. Look at how the back end's just kicking out.
57 signal, San Allen box 4714, 54 Excelsior Avenue. Bayview Avenue, Woodbury Avenue for a CO detector.
Okay, this thing doesn't turn the way I thought it was going to. Ignore my sidewalk driving.
57 signal, San Allen box 471454 Excelsior Avenue. Bayview Avenue to Woodbury Avenue for a CO detector.
Oh shit, are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Thank you.
205 fast 354. 10-4.
I'm gonna do that just so I don't get run into, because I like the probably need EMS for a Corvette that just ran over a bunch of people and got out okay. Anyway. Like I said, I can't tell if you guys can tell if you notice that I got a new keyboard. It's super clicky. If you can, and it's annoying, I really apologize. I bought a keyboard that was labeled as quiet.
111 Street, 103. 285.
But it is anything but quiet.
285, 10-4.
But it's one of the Razer. Oops. Uh-oh. Didn't do that. One of the Razer Chroma keyboards, if anyone's familiar. So if you're not familiar, look it up. I'll also probably tweet it. Oh, game broke. Sad face.
101 at arrest fast. We're investigating a faulty refrigerator. 8 David K.
I think it's not a faulty refrigerator. I think it's a faulty computer.
2206, that's 354.
Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so we've been dispatched to the report of an electrical fire on the northbound tracks. Oh, okay. Apparently that didn't work. We're going to go ahead and respond in on that in the rescue, and then I'll grab an engine company. And that should be all I need is an engine and a rescue. Ah, here's what I was talking about with this swerving through traffic like a crazy person. That too. Oh, that's a sick view. Yo, I'm gonna do this now. Oh, there's a train station. I'm just gonna pull way out of the way, because, you know, no reason to get in the way. I'm gonna go ahead and grab engine company 49. These are all just the... Well, that's kind of rad. You can see like the ladder truck as you leave. Alright. Oh, I forget this is 49. If 49 doesn't frickin' turn. I'm a good driver. I think I hit all of those cars, but don't worry about that. Don't worry about my spazzy ass tires either. Go ahead and put some turn. Oh, I already have turnout gear on. Sick. I'm gonna grab a water can and see what's going on down. Don't break, because it's kind of a bitch to get hose down here. I've done it before. But it's not the best. Oh yeah, there's a little fire. Is there a way to shut? Okay, I guess I got power shut off to the track. That's what that said. Very important to turn power off to the track. Because I don't know about how New York works, but... damn it, no. The DC subway cars. It's a DC Metro, but the DC subway cars are energized to a metric shitload of volts. I don't know what the numberage is, but it's a metric shitload. It's the technical term. So you always got to make sure, like, never touch that shit. So you got to turn the power off. So close. So I guess power's off. Power's been resecured. Go ahead and shut that door. I'm gonna go in service. And I'm gonna call an episode there because it's 2 calls, and that's kind of what I usually do. So too bad. Sorry, the first one didn't really work out, but you know, it kind of happens. Game's pre-alpha, so some shit's just not really gonna quite work. So it is what it is. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.